Don't put your head down. Use your knees. Why are you going to your right? Why? You're not fighting the left-handed, you're fighting the right-hander. You're going to his power.
30 seconds.
Overhand, overhand. Overhand right. Both of you.
Get him like that.
5 seconds, you said? Oh. You said?
I said 30 I said 30 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Come on, get in there.
All out.
All out. All out.
Back away. You stink. Go away. Come on. Time.
Time.